Welcome, my name is Mr. Tom Rankin and I'll be your instructor this semester for BAS120 Introduction to Business Analytics. Now, I've always been taught that when I start any project or endeavor to ask myself, what does winning look like? And I think it would only be fair if I explained to you what winning would look like for me this semester in this class. For me, winning would be if we can add to your skill set the ability to manipulate, analyze, and understand data. And I think that's an extremely valuable asset to have in today's environment. So I hope that we can add that skill set, add to the skill set that you already have. And I'm really excited about the way the analytics team and faculty here have designed this course because 80% of the course or the grade is based on you actually doing things with data sets. And they're exciting data sets, at least I think so. There's a data set on the passengers of the Titanic. There's a data set on car auction values. There's a data set on election returns. I think you'll find it very interesting, and I hope that you'll find it'll, at the end of the class, it'll add to your skill set. So that's my goal. Let's talk a little bit about some of the norms, right? Some of the norms and some of the rules. So first of all, some of these come from the college, some of them from our department, some of them from me. But let's get through them to make sure we understand. Again, they're in the syllabus, but I just want to make sure we all understand. First of all, the course entry quiz, make sure you get it done. Otherwise, you're withdrawn from the class. Class attendance, you've got to attend 90% of the class. So for my seated classes, that's attendance. For the online, it's completing the discussion boards. Late assignments, we don't accept late assignments. Now in the COVID environment, let's discuss if we run into issues with that. But for the norm, we don't accept late assignments. The department wants us to make sure we have at least one group assignment, so we'll make sure one of our assignments is a group assignment. The week in this course goes Wednesday to Wednesday. I don't know if that's the norm, but I just want to make sure everybody is clear. It's Wednesday to Wednesday. So the week will end Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. Also, we use adaptive release. So you've got to get a 70 on the quiz for the next week's quiz to open up, which I think you'll all be able to do. Lastly, my biggest pet peeve is I want people to be active, engaged. If you got a question, probably 20–50% of the other classmates have it. Please don't be shy. Go ahead, ask it. We're here to help. We're here to support. But you do need to put forth the effort, obviously. Let's talk a little bit about grading. Again, it's all in the syllabus, but I just want to run through it so you have a little understanding of the thought process behind this. So 10% of your grade is a discussion board. And again, the faculty here has done an outstanding job of finding interesting discussion topics that are pertinent to today, that are pertinent to you enhancing your skill set. You need to respond to 2 of your classmates. Get it done, right? It should be, don't leave points on the table, get it done. The next 10% is based on quizzes, which again are based on the excellent videos and PowerPoints that are out there on Blackboard each week for you to watch. All the quiz questions are based right off the PowerPoints and the videos. You get 2 attempts. You ought to get 100 on every one of those. The third grading thing is 20% of your final grade is based on lab work. Now this is where we start utilizing data sets and manipulating. And the purpose of the labs is for you to practice. So you can talk to classmates about it. You can talk to me about it. There are outstanding videos that the team has put together that guide you through the labs. And the real goal here is for everybody to get 100 on the lab work because they're going to prepare you for the assignments. So the first 40%, I'm hopeful everybody has 100 on. Now the assignments, that's where you individually do your work with the exception of the group project. One of the 3 will be a group project. You individually take a data set and do what the assignment says to do with the data set. Again, the lab should prepare you to be successful on the assignment. The last 20% is the final exam, which again will be a project, which require you to take a data set and do the proper manipulation with the data set and analysis of that data set. But again, the labs will prepare you for that. So that's kind of the way the course lays out and works in terms of grading. A quick warning, it seems real simple at the beginning of the course, but it gets fairly complicated fairly quickly. So make sure you keep pace. Make sure if there's something you don't understand about the lab, you let us know so we can help you. Now, your job is to put forth your best effort and to keep pace and be on time. My job is to try to support and encourage you as much as I can. In this environment, I've tried to make myself accessible a few ways. So on Blackboard, there's a support and help form where you can see every question from every student and the answers to those questions. On Blackboard, I have a Email Mr. Rankin tab, so you don't have to look up my email. You can just one click away. Also, we give you the option, and it's totally optional. You can sign up for text messaging, and it'll send you a reminder of when things are due, which might be handy since we go Wednesday to Wednesday, but it's totally optional and up to you. So, next step, please get the course entry quiz done and out of the way. I don't want to be chasing you. You don't want me to be chasing you. Get that done today. Go through the getting started section and start on week 1 assignments and do your best. We're here to help. And finally, stay safe, stay healthy. Thanks.